In this video, I am going to show you where we pour the washer fluid in the Dongfeng Box car. So of course, in order to pour in the washer fluid, we have to open up the hood of our engine. So we move over to the front on the driver's side. Here we need to find this latch with the car logo on it. We press it, we hear the opening of the engine hood. We move over to the front of the car. We also hear the specific sounds that the Dongfeng makes. Here under the badge, we can find a safety catch that we can easily open. You hear that? You just have to slide it left and we have access to the engine. What interests us here is the washer fluid filler neck. It's this blue filler neck right here. We can easily open it up, check the level of our fluid. At the moment there isn't much of it and we can top it up here. Once we have done that, we close this filler neck just like that. And then we can close the engine hood and start using our washers. Thank you very much for your attention.